Welcome to this comprehensive and detailed installation guide for the innovative and highly practical Frunk, specifically designed for seamless integration with your elegant Peugeot 3008 or the spacious Peugeot 5008. You have undoubtedly made an excellent choice and treated yourself to a truly remarkable and environmentally friendly new electric car, either the sophisticated Peugeot 5008 or the dynamic Peugeot 3008, and perhaps you are now eager to explore its full potential and enhance its functionality even further with this essential accessory. You've already received a Frunk from us and now want to install it. Let me show you how easy it is in just a few simple steps. First, I want to show you which components are included with the Frunk and which additional tools you'll need. We have this robust mounting bracket, specifically designed with integrated vibration dampers. There's a precisely engineered spacer bolt and then another standard M6 bolt, accompanied by a perfectly matching plastic washer and an M6 bolt featuring a convenient internal thread. For the complete installation process, you will exclusively require a 5mm Allen key and a 12mm open-end wrench, ensuring a straightforward and secure setup. First, we'll attach this mounting element to the side of the Frunk. Simple. Loosen the screw and the sliding nut with the sliding nut, then insert the mounting bracket with this groove exactly into this elongated hole so that it is basically twist-proof, so that this bracket is wedged in a way that prevents it from rotating. Insert the sliding nut into the elongated hole of the bracket and fasten it with the screw from the inside of the Frunk. Now, carefully tighten the screw from the inside of the Frunk using the provided Allen key, ensuring it is secure. The mounting element is now securely attached to the Frunk and cannot rotate. Now we'll move on to installing the 3 mounting points that we still need to set. First of all, of course, simply pull off the cover that is installed. And remove it. Now we need to set a mounting point at 3 positions, but that will be done in just a few minutes. Once here, and once we are here, and down here there is a specific bolt, right in this location, where we will carefully and securely attach the long bolt. Let's start with the long bolt. I have to do this with my left hand because I'm filming with my right hand. I hope you can see it well. Down here there's a long M8 bolt. That's where we place our long bolt. And tighten it until it just barely makes contact. And then, with careful attention to detail, we proceed to securely tighten it using the appropriate Allen key, specifically the size 5, ensuring it is fastened firmly and correctly in place accordingly. Next, we carefully take our bolt stud and, together with the small plastic washer, gently place it securely on this particular component. M6 fitting. And then securely fasten it with a precisely sized 12mm open-end wrench. Not too tight. 2 to 3 Newton meters is enough, so really just hand tight. The last bolt stud goes in this position. We carefully place it onto this M6 bolt, then gently screw it in again until it completely stops, and finally secure it once more with the open-end wrench, just hand tight, ensuring a snug fit. 3 to 4 Newton meters is enough here as well. Now we have the additional 3 mounting points installed. As you saw, it only took a few minutes. And now all that's left is to insert the Frunk and press it on. That goes even a bit faster. Simply position the Frunk correctly on the left and right on the installed mounting points and press it on until it clicks into place. Do the same on the right side. Position it correctly on the mounting point and press it on until it clicks into place. And then the 2 middle mounting points, just here and once here. And that's it. Then check the frunk to make sure it's securely in place and you're done. So, as you saw, it's really extremely easy and quick to do. If you want to remove the frunk again, you just need to pull on the retaining clips and take it out. If it gets dirty, maybe wash it out, and that's all there is to it. Then all that you really have to do is simply load the frunk file into the system. It's best to put in, for example, the large bag or 2 small bags so that nothing flies around or rattles. You can put small items into the double net, just like I do with an extra safety vest. Then all that's left for me is to wish you a safe and pleasant journey. Have fun with your great Peugeot 508 or 308. Yours, Joseph, from the company Frunk.